Many businesses struggle with bug problems. Bugs like ants and cockroaches keep coming back no matter what you do. That's why maintenance managers and groundskeepers often use industrial strength solutions like zero-in, roach, and ant killer. All you gotta do is spray it on.
Its powerful aerosol spray can be utilized as spot treatment to kill on contact and provide residual killing power for up to 7 weeks. Zero-in roach and ant killer will kill roaches and ants, as well as beetles, flies, and ticks. Protect entry points or eliminate bugs with easy spot treatment. It's great for hotels, motels, schools, and office buildings where bugs can sneak through the cracks and crevices and infest an area. Now that you know how to keep roaches and ants away from your facility, take the next step and visit www.stateindustrial.com to find zero-in roach and ant killer, or check out our complete line of cleaning solutions for every part of your facility.